To start, click on Sign in with Google. Today, we're submitting a labor request. First, choose what building you need assistance in. If you're unsure, you can choose Other. We've selected Library. Next, you'll need to clearly identify what your event is. Select the date of your event. This should be the day you need the request completed by. Priority level is set at medium. However, you are able to change this based off your assessment. If the event is within the next 7 days, be sure to select High or Urgent. When entering the setup time, ensure this is well before your event. Enter the time your event starts. This should be after the setup time. Then enter the ending time of your event. This allows the maintenance team to know when they can clean up. Enter in the items needed for event box. This should include all the information the team needs to make your event successful. When you're satisfied with your request, press Submit. An email will be sent to you and the building maintenance team confirming your submission. We're going to go add a note into this ticket by clicking My Requests. Here is the labor request that we just submitted. We're going to add in that we need extension cords as well. Be clear in what you're asking for. Click on Send Message to add your note to the ticket. Click on Dashboard so that we can sign out. Click on Sign Out.